Hello, today I'm in Jeep Wrangler. In this video I'll show you how to enable and use cruise control. In the beginning, let's press this button in the middle on the steering wheel. Now the cruise control will be enabled. As you can see, cruise control is ready. You can see it by icon right there. Now you simply have to accelerate to desired speed. Let the acceleration pedal go and press set button. Now, if you want to increase the speed, press the set plus button. To decrease the speed, press the set minus button. To pause it, press cancel. To reset it to the firstly set speed, set reset button, and to disable cruise control, press this middle button again. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.